it's Brooke with WTI.
If you want to have a high quality meal and get it cooked quickly and just it not take so much of your day, definitely check out this pressure cooker by NYTRX. If you have not used a pressure cooker, it's really incredible. It has a fast heating conduction and the pressure is so well contained that it gets the food cooked. This one here only took me 30 minutes. Normally, I have to stand in the kitchen for a couple hours to get that tender meat and that effect. But with this pressure cooker, I can get my maximum results in such a quick period of time. This one here is just stunning. This mirrored stainless steel is beautiful. The lid really fascinates me. This twisting of this red knob to lock it into place makes it really fun and easy to use. It also has this dual protection from the exhaust and pressure, so I feel comfortable even when it's on high. This comes out clean every time, even when I've left it in the sink overnight dirty. It's so easy to clean and it still looks brand new. It's wonderful that it comes with a steamer so I can cook my steamed vegetables within minutes. I really feel like this three-layered, this energy concentrating bottom is impressive because when I turn up the heat, there's no burnt effect. It's still gorgeous at the bottom. There's no disgusting burnt flavor in my food. So this is a high quality pressure cooker. This is 10 quarts, which is more than enough for me and my family of 4, or even more than enough to share. If you've been thinking of using a pressure cooker, it's given me so much control in the kitchen. It's added so much flavor, and most importantly, I get that tender meat that I'm always drooling over.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.